Living in West Jordan, Utah, offers the best of suburban comfort, but noise pollution can be a significant concern, especially if you live near busy streets, highways, or commercial areas. Whether it's the constant hum of traffic, nearby construction, or the occasional loud neighbors, unwanted noise can interfere with the peace and comfort of your home. Fortunately, soundproof windows provide an effective solution to reduce noise pollution and create a more peaceful living environment. In this article, we'll explore how soundproof windows can benefit your West Jordan home, reduce noise pollution, and improve the overall quality of life in your household. What are soundproof windows? Soundproof windows are designed to reduce the amount of external noise that enters your home. They are typically made of thicker glass, multi-layered panes, and acoustic seals to minimize sound transmission. These windows work by creating a barrier that absorbs and blocks sound waves, preventing them from entering your home. While no window can completely block all outside noise, soundproof windows are highly effective at reducing sound levels and improving your home's acoustic environment. In addition to their noise-reducing properties, soundproof windows often come with the added benefit of energy efficiency. By preventing drafts and improving insulation, they can also help maintain a consistent indoor temperature, reducing the need for excessive heating or cooling. Reducing traffic and street noise. For homeowners in West Jordan who live near busy streets, highways, or main roads, traffic noise can be a constant nuisance. The sound of cars, trucks, and buses passing by can interfere with your ability to relax, concentrate, or get a good night's sleep. Soundproof windows can significantly reduce traffic noise by blocking the sound waves that travel through your windows. Unlike standard windows, which allow sound to pass through relatively easily, soundproof windows use special techniques like thicker glass, multiple panes, and acoustic seals to absorb and deflect sound. As a result, these windows help create a quieter indoor environment, allowing you to enjoy your home without the disruptive sounds of passing traffic. Minimizing noise from construction sites or commercial areas. West Jordan is a growing city, and with growth often comes construction projects and the increased noise that accompanies them. If your home is located near an active construction site or a commercial area, you may experience loud machinery, drilling, and heavy equipment noise throughout the day. Soundproof windows can help dampen these sounds, making it easier for you to maintain a peaceful atmosphere inside your home. By reducing the noise from external sources like construction, soundproof windows create a more comfortable living space, enabling you to focus, relax, or sleep undisturbed. Whether you work from home or simply want a quieter environment, soundproof windows provide a valuable solution to combat external noise. Enhancing privacy in urban areas. In addition to traffic and construction noise, homeowners in West Jordan may also experience noise from nearby neighbors or public areas. Whether it's voices, music, or other household sounds, noise from nearby properties can diminish your sense of privacy and tranquility. If you live in a densely populated area, you may find that noise from neighbors often interferes with your peace and quiet. Soundproof windows are designed to block sound transmission, making them an excellent solution for improving privacy in noisy neighborhoods. These windows reduce the likelihood of sound carrying between your home and others, helping you maintain a more private, serene living space. With soundproof windows, you can enjoy your home without the constant concern of disturbing or being disturbed by the noises around you. Improved sleep quality. One of the most significant benefits of soundproof windows is their ability to improve sleep quality. Unwanted noise can interfere with your ability to fall asleep and stay asleep, leading to sleep deprivation, stress, and other health issues. For homeowners who live near busy streets or areas with significant noise pollution, soundproof windows offer a solution to help block out disruptive sounds. By significantly reducing the noise that enters your home, soundproof windows create a quieter, more peaceful environment, which helps improve your sleep quality. With better sleep, you'll feel more rested, refreshed, and energized, leading to improved health and overall well-being. Enhanced home comfort and property value. In addition to the noise-reducing benefits, soundproof windows also contribute to the overall comfort of your home. By creating a quieter and more controlled indoor environment, they help maintain a peaceful atmosphere in every room. Whether you're relaxing in your living room, working from home, or enjoying a meal with your family, soundproof windows help make your home a more comfortable and enjoyable place to be. Moreover, installing soundproof windows can increase the value of your property. In areas with high levels of noise pollution, potential buyers may be willing to pay more for homes that offer peace and quiet. Additionally, soundproof windows enhance your home's energy efficiency, making it an attractive investment for homeowners and buyers alike. Additional benefits of soundproof windows. While noise reduction is the primary benefit, soundproof windows offer several other advantages. Energy efficiency. Many soundproof windows are designed with insulating layers that help regulate indoor temperature, improving your home's energy efficiency and reducing heating and cooling costs. UV protection. Soundproof windows often include UV blocking coatings, which help protect your furniture, flooring, and fabrics from sun damage and fading. Long-term durability. Soundproof windows are built to last, offering low maintenance and high durability in all types of weather conditions, making them a long-term investment in your home's comfort and value. Conclusion. Soundproof windows, a wise investment for West Jordan homes. For homeowners in West Jordan who are dealing with noise pollution from traffic, construction, or nearby neighbors, soundproof windows are an excellent solution. These windows significantly reduce the amount of noise entering your home, improving your overall comfort, privacy, and sleep quality. They also provide added benefits such as energy efficiency and UV protection, making them a smart investment for any homeowner. If you're looking to create a quieter, more peaceful living space, soundproof windows offer a simple yet highly effective solution. With these windows, you'll enjoy a more comfortable, serene home, free from the disruptive sounds of the outside world.